Hi, I'm Michael Cumberbatch, and I'm a product manager on Google Surveys.
And I'm Tessa MacDuff-Pupias, a lead engineer on Google Surveys. We're excited to make some product announcements today, but first we thought we'd go back and tell you a little bit about why we started Google Surveys in the first place.
Yeah, so back in 2012, when we started Google Surveys, we set out with the mission to make quality research available to organizations of all sizes. At the time, research was costly and time-consuming, and that made it difficult for businesses to make decisions backed on data.
With Google Surveys, small businesses have access to the same data insights that were previously only available to big companies with large budgets. Today, we're excited to announce that we're going to be rolling out some features to further our mission of making research available to as many people as possible.
Yeah, so in that vein, we're excited to announce that we've increased our targeting dramatically. Now you can survey users around the world. In addition, users in over 70 countries can now purchase surveys with support for 12 currencies and 18 languages. We also wanted to remove any friction in our billing process, so we've improved both our billing and our contracting flow.
So what's next? Over the rest of 2018, we're going to be rolling out a bunch of new countries, and we're also going to open up iOS targeting.
Great. Happy surveying!